Along with the blog posts on your site, you'll likely have a variety of static pages. They work very, very similar to posts, but with a few differences. So let's take a look. If we go in to create a new page, the main two pieces of content are still very important here on pages as they're on posts, where it needs a title and needs a body. Now the content for the body works very similar to posts. If you watch our videos there about how to add images, how to add photo galleries, add videos, links, all that kind of stuff, it all works the same on pages here as it does on posts. The differences are on the right-hand side of the page, with two main differences. The first is you no longer see categories or tags. Those are specific to blog posts and do not work on pages. There are plugins you can use to make it happen, but typically that's not needed. But what is more important is some of the attributes that show up here instead, particularly the parent attribute. And where you would use this is if you want to nest a page underneath another one. For example, if this page we were writing was called graphic design, because that's one of our services, we may want to put it under the parent services page. So we kind of have all of our services underneath that. In this case here, if I were to choose a parent, say we'd put it under, for example, podcast. If we save the draft, you'll see how the URL of the page changes to show that it's underneath there. So now this page is going to become abrighterwriter.com/podcast/test page. It's underneath there. So again, it could be services, graphic design, that kind of thing. You don't need to use that hierarchy if you don't want. You can say no parent, and that's perfectly fine. The page will work the same, but it's worth noting that out. Otherwise, though, everything works the same. You can save drafts, you can publish, you can, again, add all the content you need in here. So I encourage you, if you have more questions about pages, to check out our posts tutorials, and you may find a lot of the answers you need in there. If you have further questions, though, certainly leave a comment, let us know, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.